Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Revocable Identity Based Access Control for Big Data with the Verifiable Outsourced Computing. Our project abstract. Sign encryption suffers from the limitations of not being able to revoke users from a large scale system efficiently. The first identity based sign encryption scheme with the efficient revocation as well as the feature of to outsourced and sign encryption to enable secure big data communication between data collector and data analytical system. This process is identity based data encryption and decryption method using and the sign encryption and sign encryption method. Our scheme is designed to achieve end-to-end concurrently authentication and non-reputations and the integrity simultaneously while providing a scalable revocation functionality such that the overhead demand by the private key generator. The private updates base only the increases logarithmically based on the cardinality of users. The private key is based on the server can provide the user to the upload the files or download the files from the user to server. Although the scheme is majority of unsigned encryption task to outsourced untrusted cloud server, the approach does not affect the security of the proposed scheme. We then prove the security of our scheme as well as demonstrating utility using the simulations. This method we are using the unsigned encryption task to untrusted servers. We remove the unsigned encryption method for our process, and we are using the private key generator and the multiple key function for the revocable user to find the unwanted users from the in the data decryption and encryption from the server. The server send the file to the authenticated user. The revoked users can be easily identified based on the multiple key functions. Our project flow diagram. In this project, we are developing a sign encryption based on the secure data service using a big data process. First, the data uploader is the user to upload the files from the server, and next the uploader has the two processes for the register and login. After registration and login, the data uploader can upload the data from the server. The user first generate the ID and encrypt the file. The ID is based on the using the algorithm. And the sign encryption is based on the user's signature entered into the file. Signature will be sent to the user and the file will be received from the server. The server will restore all the details, and after store all the details for the based on the user and receive the files and generate the encrypted file. The encrypted file means the user send the file to the server receive the files and generate the private key and public key is based on the file using the user upload, and next to find the revocation user. The revocation user is nothing but the user can the unwanted user is the revocation user. Suppose the user enter the wrong password or revocation key is based on the user find for the revocation and user request for the file, and user have to upload the file means after you want to download the file means send the request to the server, and server decrypt the file based on the private key and send to the files to the user, and user receive the files and the signature value also, and the signature is based on the hash value. We using the hash value generated based on the signature value, and file decryption is user receive the files and verify all the key, and file will be decrypted to the user. Let's see the demo of our project and the home file. A project demo is started for the revocable identity based access control for the big data. This is a user registration. You might choose the new user. Get ID. This is a user ID for the random process. Register user successfully. They directly go into the login page. You enter the user ID and the password. Suppose user give the password will be wrong, which this is a malware user. Okay, you only enter the correct value and login with success. This is a user process for the upload and download. First we are going to upload the file. Okay, this is upload file. Okay, First you have to choose a file. This is our file for the user's gender. You have to enter the and signature for the data encryption. We generate the key for the file. This is our key for the file, and encrypt the file, and file will be encrypted. And repetition means no duplications occur. Suppose it will be the duplication means we cannot be show into the send file, upload the file, send file. The server will be going to receive the file. Okay, this is our server workflow process. Okay, this is receive the file. The file will be sent and the file will be received here. Okay, this is our signature key under and signature value. This is our specific value for the signature given for the signature, and hash value based on the specific file, and RSA key. This RSA key will be for the data encryption, and file will be re-encrypted. The process will be converted for the re-encryption. Okay, shared files. Okay, we're going to see the shared files for the revocable users. What are the authorized users? We will register authorized users, and shared files. We are going to share these files for the signature, and these are the key for the files. Already we done in the upload process. Now we are going to download the file for the user upload. This is our files are uploaded for the user. I have to choose the file. Okay, this is our sender request. Now we are going to run the server. Okay, receive the request. The receipt will be received, and RSA key. This key we are encryption using, and decrypt the file. File will be decrypted and send the file. The file will be sent to the user and receive the file. The file will be received and hash key will be received. Suppose user enter the wrong key means check the hash value. Check hash value. You are the revoke user. Suppose you are going to remove the value and check user. Oh my god. Okay, I change it for the summary values. You have the right value for the getter file. Okay, the value will be same only means we decrypt the file will be shown here, and decrypt the file will be decrypted. Okay, this is our uploadable file for the user. This is secure for the sign encryption will be done in the process. Sign encryption is based on the hash key and the RSA key. Our project demo is completed. Thank you for listening.